Laba diena! Let's start the day by fixing yesterday's failure. So here's what I was talking about yesterday. This is quite a nasty stain. It may sound off, but you know, sometimes they go deep. There's one more. Backrest parts are finished. Now let's get back to making 60 more pegs. Now I have two main criteria in mind when picking the right slab for those tiny pegs to cut. And that is that it has to be as straight as possible and with the least amount of knots and crotches. Basically, I'm looking for the slab with the least internal stresses hidden inside. Because when you think about it, once I will cut it into those strips, all the internal stresses will get released and those pegs will bulk up, twist and whatever. So yeah, I don't want that. I lost the number somewhere at the end, but it should be more than 100 pieces, and that's basically 20% more than I need. And it's good to have extra because I'm pretty sure not all of these gonna meet the benchmark. And of course I'm not gonna mount these specs in this condition. I should calibrate these, and I think the best machine for that is white belt sander. It's the end of the day, so there should be nobody in my colleague's workshop, so I'm free to use the machine, so let's go there. First of all, I need to even out the dimensions of these specs, and my idea is to put the most aggressive belt my colleague has, which is 40 grit, and yeah, this machine should make a quick work of that. And once that's done, I can progressively move up the grid to 120 or 180. So let's swap the belts and fire up the machine. I came back at my place because my camera died and also I need a short break. I was sanding for 2 hours straight and all I've done is sanded 2 sides, so there's 2 more sides left and only then I can switch to the higher grit. So yeah, it's gonna be a long night. So yeah, let's have a snack and run right back. Time's up, let's get back to work. Previously I developed a bit of a rhythm, so let me explain how it works. So the key is to keep the same orientation for all of the sticks. So they came out like this from the machine, from the last pass, and all I do now is take the whole column, and now I place it on the machine and flip it to whatever side needed. And yeah, I just proceed the whole stack like that, and once I'm done I will have to flip it once more. Technically all of these pieces are sanded on all 4 sides, and I counted these and it's 131. So I would like to reduce this number, so I'm gonna take out all of the both pieces. So far so good. I have 99 pieces in this pile, but I would like to sort it out one more time and take out all of the pieces which still have some saw marks left. So this is the pile of very fine pieces. The problem is that I'm short of 5 more. So I guess I will take 5 out of this last purge. Probably I will take like 15 more just in case. And these are not terrible, they just have a bit of saw marks left. And this may even sand off with the last pass of 120 grit. So yeah, should be okay. I somehow made it. Sorry for not having a footage from the last sanding. I just haven't checked how much space there's on the memory card, and yeah, my bad. Anyway, it's almost 11 p.m. and I haven't even started editing this video, so I should really hurry up. Anyhow, sincerely thank you for watching, and I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye bye!